Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to save a Microsoft Word document as a picture. Let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser, type the print screen. Download the Lightshot software. After install this software, go to Start menu, open the software and go to your Microsoft Word document and press the print screen button from keyboard and select the page area and click the save. Now you can select JPG, PNG and BMP. Now I will choose JPG. Just press the print screen button and select the area and click the save. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.